Welcome back, guys, to Your Financial Freedom, another whiteboard. I'll be teaching today to teach you guys something I bet you didn't know. So let's get right into it and talk to you guys about decor budgeting, right? So if you're doing long-term rentals right now, you only will have your renovation cost to fix up the property. What I learned with short-term rentals, you now have a separate category, and that's your decor budget. So this particular property was one in Glendale that I purchased back in 2015. It's a townhouse, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Believe it or not, guys, back in 2015 for this property, I paid like $45,000. So I just kept it in my portfolio. It was a long-term rental, and when their lease expired about 2 years ago, I converted this to a short-term rental. So on this one, guys, we had two aspects. We had our renovation budget, because what happened, that property had been a rental for me since 2015. So I had to go in and renovate it slightly. So we did paints, we did some flooring, and that total rental project was about $7,100. I had budgeted $7,500, so I was pretty close there. Decor, I'm getting better and better. Where do we go for decor? Where is the best place to shop? So we do a lot of shopping on Amazon Prime. We go to Costco. For some of you guys who have watched my other videos, online Wayfair is a good spot. So I don't do any of that anymore, guys. Once you understand it, you're gonna leverage that off to someone on your team to handle all the decor expenses. So we have a great person helping us out now. So again, this was a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, almost 1,100 square feet. One of the early mistakes, I don't know, that a lot of people I see make is they overspend on decor, just like we overspend as flippers on renovations. I got better at reno, like what is the neighborhood, who are your guests? So really you have to take that in mind. I highly recommend you go new on all your appliances. Reason why is with appliances, at some of these appliance stores, they guarantee 30 days, but after that, the fridge may go out and you're not really saving that much money. So for all my properties, all my new passive income properties, I always put new appliances, new washer dryer, new dishwasher. So that is a little tip that I would strongly suggest, because you don't want to get something and then 6 weeks later have to buy something again. So you're going to be in there for a long time. Just buy new or slightly used, but it's very important to do that. So our budget for this one, guys, was $6,000, and I give myself like 10%, so 10 to 15%. So I did go a little bit over, but our all-in on this project was $7,500. So what is it that's going to cost you the most money, and where do you spend your money? So couches, you have to get very nice couches, because that's going to make anything you put in there, you have competition. So you want to stand out from the other short-term rentals in the area. So I always recommend getting very nice items that don't cost you a lot. So you need to know where to shop. That's very important. Wholesale. I have hookups in Arizona, for example, beds brand new, I pay $250 to $300. Never been used, have great response as far as people, because you want to have comfortable beds. So have been using these beds now for about 2 years, and it was just a local connection. I have couches. There's one color, but you could add to the couches and so forth. So get to know some of the people in your community, where you could buy wholesale deals in your local community. So beds are very important. You want to make sure they're comfortable. And then also on there, guys, I would highly suggest getting comforters. I got hooked on the Westin Hotel. Comfort, white, clean, and I buy nice comforters from Costco. The sheets are really nice sheets, and the pillows too, because sleeping is extremely important. You want to make sure your guests are comfortable. So beds and the comforters are important. Couches we spent money on. TV, guys, you could just go to Costco again or Amazon. They have the built-in streaming service, which is amazing, save you guys money there. I usually will do I do a lot of TVs, so this one has 3 TVs, so you have one in the living room, and in 2 bedrooms we have TVs there. So the other expense is a keypad. I recommend you guys get the ones that you change out the code after each guest leaves, so you don't have any issue with keys or losing keys. So keypad, that's $250, $300. Pictures, kitchen table, so all those things are big items. And then you have your little knickknacks like your silverware, your dishes. Dollar stores are great for that, guys, because you could get coffee mugs there, you could get plates. For your pots and pans, I would highly recommend sturdy ones from Costco. You spend a couple $100 like we did. Towels, what color towels? That's always, a question. Towels, linens, I go with all white because it's clean, it's crisp. And then we could, with the housekeeping staff, they could always bleach those if something gets spilled on them. Makeup's a concern, guys. If women are using makeup and they're traveling, they get on the white towels, it's hard to get out. So what we have learned to do for that is we get the little black makeup towels. So you put one of those in each bathroom, and then you put a note, please use these for your makeup removal. So that saved us some money in throwing out towels and stuff. So that's a little pointer there. So all in, guys, we're at $7,500 for decor. This project cost me $15,000 of capital. Now, on arbitrage, what we teach is you don't actually have to own the property. So you may have to do some of this, so you might have to come in with $10,000, $15,000 of money. But again, the great thing about arbitrage is it doesn't have to be your own money. I teach you guys how to structure the deal and where to find the money. With our community, you could JV with a lot of folks, so that's always something to check out, definitely. So that is our decor budget. Any questions, definitely send me a DM if you like it. Share it with your friends. Tell them about our Passive Income Accelerator course. Let's get you started in the game. It's a simple game, but the hard part, guys, is to get started. So hope you enjoyed our decor budgeting whiteboard today for passive income, and we'll see you on the next whiteboard. Peace.